penalong adaba birta thanbang sami brismai disopi non birta thebi pen arjitha
Semson Sing Engti College wo thatlang so long kacharli amumara tum sitami dakmet hangadim satlang chitok longpo Nipai kep surini rankora pho nizang karbiang long wo thalang so long kido Semson Sing Engti College along kacharli amumara tum sitami dongka mukam rasingja college an damjok plot pen methang college along amat satlang tokpon longpo Pinpur dami nizang karbiang long along kadu kawi humpli college do sonsi dongka mukam rasingja college wo thalang so Semson Sing Engti College Hamren Waisong College lapen Phelang Pikheruni Kopidi College Lasso College Humpli Angbongpen Exam Center along with Ajok Ajha College Atum Satlang Ketok Damahut Kisung ke Phomate Kidam Kibangkotora do iglo Sonsi Semson Sing Engti College Principal Dr. Biswajit Roy Lapen Lipson Bay KC Taxation Advisory Board Lapen Arisang Huatum Kacharli Asomaratum Kisungi Pholam Arjulong si Assam University Silchar An Paligidam Tang Surini Inkora Pho Inkora Si Arni Juningri Alu Pipajerdam Sonsi Puthot Assam University Silchar Pen Puthot Crete Rock Surini Inkora Pho Arni Assam University Silchar Pen Labangso Semson Sing Engti College An Nangkahumri Aphan Wangsi Nangkilangchari Aphan Wang Pen Da College Principal Teaching Staff Non-Teaching Staff Lapen Governing Body Atum Pen Chingki Chingwai Tekang Alang Litum Da College Along Nangkahumri Pen Mesen Angthek Mate Ahoglo Labangso College Pen Exam Kitok Damki Hello Winglang Chinisi Kedam Tang Krainer Cap Surini Rankora Pho Arni Assam University Silchar Pen Je Dak Semson Sing Engti College along Amasi Degree Kacharli Woitum Sitami Dak Semson Sing Engti College along Amat Satlang Mate Exam Chitoklong Pupo Assam University Silchar Official Pen Permission Alu Pangdak Pono Sonsi Semson Sing Engti College Principal Dr. Biswajit Roy Pen Lipson Bay KC Taxation Advisory Board Chairman Aphan Labangso Asai along Kachirabdun Thek Ajok Akiru Pipon Lapen Dr. Suptabir Deuteroy Controller of Examination Alang Litumaphan Akiru Pipajirpon Wotalang Sopen Coursing Teron News Text Report B News 7
non birtang tonpen arjitha
to our Honorable Chairman Department of Taxation Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Difu Mr. Lipson Bedangoria and my office assistant Mr. Kamsa and my dear media person present here. So actually our college was established in the year of 1999, 24th of July, and from that day our degree of the students used to appear their examination in Donka Rangshina College Examination Center and Donka Rangshina College and our Boithalanso Semson Sing Engti College communication gap is there. Our students they used to suffer so many days that they appear their semester examination in Rangshina College Donka Mukam, and since then we were trying to get examination center here in Semson Sing Engti College. And after that, in the year of 2025, 21 April, we went to Assam University Silchar with Mr. Lipson Bay, Chairman Department of Taxation, and over there we have submitted one application to the Controller of Examination, Dr. Suprabir Dottor, to get examination center in Semson Sing Engti College Boithalanso, and we discuss about our college and we discuss about all the infrastructure facilities of our college, about the staff strength of our college. So along with all the supporting documents we have submitted the application to the Controller of Examination Assam University Silchar, and after that day we meet Dr. Vishwajit Das, Section Officer Assam University Silchar Examination Branch. Then we meet Dr. Jointo Bhattacharji, College Development Council Assam University Silchar, and along with all the officials we had a discussion about Semson Sing Engti College for a examination center so that our students will able to appear their examination comfortably. And after that, Assam University Silchar, they have sent an inspection committee and to Semson Sing Engti College on 16 June 2025 with the chairmanship of Dr. Pankaj Dev Sharma and member Dr. Devokanta Sharma and convener Dr. Mohan Bora. They have visited our Semson Sing Engti College on 16th June 2025 and they inspected our infrastructure facilities and all the supporting documents of our college that we apply for examination center. And after that, they have given the report to the Assam University Silchar, to the controller of examination. And after that, we got one order on 9/6/2009. We got the order on 8/9/2025 that they approved Semson Sing Engti College as an examination center, and in that notification they have given the competent authority of Assam University Silchar is pleased to permit EDC examination center in the following colleges for a period of 1 year purely on temporary and experimental basis for FYUG odd semester 2025 and FYUG event semester 2026. So to Semson Sing Engti College and Wisam College only. And we got some formats that they asked to submit the examination center, name of the assistant examination center, name of the postal office and address, police station and address, medical center. So all those details now will prepare and will send to the Assam University Silchar. So it is a very good step and great achievements for Semson Sing Engti College, for which we were trying since last few years. And in this connection, we would like to thanks to the controller of Assam University Silchar, Dr. Suprabir Dottoroi, for his kindness that he approved Semson Sing Engti College as a degree examination center. In the same time, we would like to thanks to Dr. Jayanta Bhattacharya, College Development Council Director. We thanks to him also. Then we would like to thanks Dr. Biswajit Das, Section Officer, Examination Branch, Assam University Silchar. And in the same times, we would like to thanks to Honorable Mr. Lipson Bay, Chairman of Taxation Department, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Difu, as well as Executive President of Governing Body Semson Sing Engti College, for his kind support, and he have given the valuable times. We went to Silchar to apply for our center, and after that we are able to go to the examination center in our college. In the same time, I would like to thank all the members of our governing body, president of the governing body, and all the teaching and non-teaching staff of our college.
Sir, it is written there, it is for temporary. So according to you, do you think that it will be for permanent?
Yes, it will be permanent. Before they used to live like this, and we have to conduct the examination smoothly, strictly, with the discipline, and we will do that. and I hope we will able to continue this examination center in our college for future times.
In West Karbianglong, there are 4 colleges. Which college are still to get permission?
Among the 4 colleges, Rangchina College and Kopili College, Keroni, they got the examination center before, and now remaining these 2 colleges like Semson Sing Engti College and Waisong College Hamden, we got the examination center from this session. And I hope our students will get the benefit and they will able to appear their exam comfortably in your same colleges, and they will get the privilege. Now our students no need to go to Rangchina College to appear the examination, which is too far from our college. Rangchina College to our college koi bahut dur hoy, তাতে আমার স্টুডেন্ট বিলাক যেতিয়া গৈ পরীক্ষা দিয়ে বহুত অসুবিধা হয়, কমিউনিকেশন গ্যাপ হয়, উইন্টার সেশনতো তেওঁলোকে পরীক্ষা দিয়ে আহোঁতে আহোঁতে ৰাতি হৈ যায়। গতিকে আসাম ইউনিভার্সিটি শিলচৰ তেওঁলোকে যে আমাৰ কলেজত এক্সামিনেশ্যন চেণ্টাৰটো দিছে তাৰ কাৰণে
Pini birta kelan sing toni koglo, domi thakme kurbang thu kardong.